exercise 3.3, question number 4. Question number 4. In this exercise, we are studying about the data handling. We are learning about how to make the graph and how to understand the graph. Okay. In this question number 4, you have to draw a double bar graph. You have to draw the double bar graph. The performance of your books have been reached to the stationery, school stationery. ठीक है ना, आपके स्कूल की बुक शॉप के पास बुक्स आ चुकी है. जिन बच्चों के पास बुक्स नहीं है, they can purchase. Now look at the performance. The performance of a student. Performance of a student in first midterm and second midterm is given. Draw a double bar graph. Now you have to draw a double bar graph. Okay, for the following data. Data क्या given है? यहाँ पर हमारे पास subject given है. Subjects term 1, first term and second term. Subject में English, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social Science, the marks are 67, 70, 72, 65, 88, 95, 81, 85, 73 and 75. Okay, these marks are given, the table is given. Now you have to draw first of all a double bar graph. Okay, now let us make a double bar graph. Look at this. How to make a double bar graph? To draw a double bar graph, okay. Now on this side we will represent the subjects. On these sides will represent the marks. Now the scale should be of 10 unit. 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. Scale. Okay, so 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then 90 plus. Now here is the subject of English. In the English we have to draw the two different bars. So English represent 67 marks in the first midterm test. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 67, 65 and then 67. And this will be the bar graph for the English. First blue graph जो हमारा होगा, it will represent the first term marks in the first term marks of English. And this similarly it's nearby, it's adjacent. इसमें हम gap नहीं देंगे, adjacent होगा. The marks of the second term is 70. Width will be same. Okay. Both are combined. Now, in the next one is the next subject is Hindi. We have a separate gap. दो subject के बीच का gap equal होगा in each and every bar. Now, we have to draw the marks of Hindi. The first term it is 72. And in the second term, the marks is 65. In the third one, the subject is maths. In the maths, the marks in the first term is 88. Marks in the first term is 88. It is 80, 70, 10, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 88 is just below this one. In the second term, the marks given is 95. 90 and 95 should be there. In the third one, this is the maths one. In the next subject, Hindi, English, Hindi, maths. Now you can see the next subject is science. In the science, marks is 81. 60, 70, 80, 81. 80 approximate, 81. This is the 81 marks. And the 85. The subject is science. Next one is social science. The social science in the first term is 73. And in the second term, marks हम इसको mention कर ही देते हैं 73, 81, 88, 72, 67. Now, in the second term, the student got 75. Now we have to answer the following queries. Look at this. Social science. Now, these are the subjects, these are the marks. Marks is given to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay, so this bar graph will represent, you can see, this bar graph will represent the double bar graph. This bar graph will represent the double bar graph. Okay, you can see it very well. Look at this. This red bars are representing the data marks of second term. Okay, and the first bar is representing the data of the marks of first term. So these are consecutive bars. This is known as the double bar graph. Such a bar graph is called as double bar graph. Okay. Now come to the next. It's queries. Now the question time. Our questions are, take the screenshot of this also. Now, questions are, in which subject children has improved his performance most? In which subject? Student has performed most. And the second question, in which subject improvement is least? In which subject performance is least? Now, raise your hand who want to give the answers of these questions and open your mic. Please, first of all, raise your hand, then tell me your name and then give the answer. Okay? Has this performance gone down? Has this performance, his performance gone down? In any subject? Okay. Open your mic and tell me your answers. Dheeraj and 6. Yes, beta. बोलिए.
Yes,
अनीश
yes,
बताइए
sir, I'm
बेटा.
Dheeraj.
धीरज
Dheeraj.
पहले धीरज आप बता दीजिए. कौन सा आंसर देंगे फर्स्ट का?
Yes, sir.
बताइए
Yes, sir.
क्या बताइए.
In which subject students has performed most? Sir, the answer is maths.
आंसर इज मैथ्स. ओके बेटा, वेरी गुड. अब अनीश बेटा आप बताइए.
Second.
सोशल स्टडी. क्वेश्चन क्या है? इन विच सब्जेक्ट परफॉर्मेंस इज लिस्ट. तो मतलब परफॉर्मेंस तो अच्छी तो हुई है मगर कम हुई है. इज द एसएस. कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है वो बेटा? एसएस. नाउ ऐसा कोई सब्जेक्ट है. अब आप दोनों अपना माइक ऑफ कर ले बेटा. नेक्स्ट नैतिक, आप बताइए बेटा कि इन विच सब्जेक्ट the performance is down. बताइए बेटा.
Hindi.
Yes, it is Hindi. What is your name?
Fanatic.
Very good. So everyone got the answer. Same answer होंगी सभी के. I hope. So please keep your mic off and take the screenshot of this question. Okay. I am going to erase all of these data. ठीक है. Now come to the question number 5. Query है बेटा किसी का कोई? डबल बार ग्राफ बनाना आ गया सबको? Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5. एक सर्वे गिवन है. ड्रॉ द डबल बार ग्राफ. इसमें भी हमें डबल बार ग्राफ बनाना है. मैं यहाँ पर एक टेबल बना देता हूँ. यहाँ है फेवरेट स्पोर्ट. Here are some watchers, watching interest, and their participating interest. Now, suppose first sport is cricket. With cricket, there are 1200 1240 persons are watching. This is the data of a colony. Colony का एक डाटा का है, यानी कि एक bunch of the peoples का एक डाटा है. Now हमारे पास क्या है? 620 people want to participate in the cricket also. Second one is basketball. In the basketball, there are 470 people are watching and 320 people are playing the basketball. Next one is swimming. Swimming, how many people are interested? Swimming. 510 people are watching the game and 320 people are interested to participate. Next one is hockey. In the hockey, 430 people are watching the game and 250 people are playing or want to participate. And next one, paper 3, question number 3. Okay, beta. Next one is an athlete. $250 people are watching and 105 people are playing, want to participate. Okay. Now we have to draw the double bar graph of this table. To draw the double bar graph, we have to choose a scale, an appropriate scale. And to use this, we let us assume in 100. One scale is 100. 100 pupils scale. It is important part. It's 100 भी कम पड़ेगा, 200 ले लेते हैं. That is considered to be 200. 200 units. So 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200, 1400, and then so on. Okay. Now there are the number of pupils. Number of pupils. And here is the sports, favorite sport. This is the favorite sport. The favorite sport. Favorite sport में हमारे पास फर्स्ट है क्रिकेट. तो क्रिकेट के लिए हमें दो बार ग्राफ बनाने हैं, डबल बार ग्राफ. Okay. We have to represent the double bar graph to represent this data. Now look at this. One is the cricket, another one is one is a watching, another one is participating. So watching में कितने हमारे पास? Just 1240. And the participation में हमारे पास है 620. Next, basketball में 470. This is about the cricket. Next one is basketball, 470. Next one is participation in basketball, 320. In the basketball, 320. Okay.
सर यहाँ पे आपने 1400 लिखना था, आपने 140 राइट कर दिया.
Okay. Okay. ठीक है बेटा. Thank you बेटा. Now next one. These are the two sports. One is the cricket, and second one is the basketball. Thank you बेटा गौरव. Next one is swimming. In the swimming, 510 के middle portion में होंगे. 510 just above the 470. 510 ठीक है? So in the swimming, 510 people are watching the sport. These are watching. These are participating. Okay, madam. Now similarly, watching and participating. Now in the basketball, now in the swimming, 320, still the same. So 320 are participating. This is the swimming. Next one, in the hockey. In the hockey, 430. 430 were watching the hockey game, and 250. This is 200, 300, 250 are participating. The width of each and every bar should be same. या थोड़ी मेरी irregular है, but आपको वहां बनाना है जो scale से, तो exactly same बनाना है. It should be of same width. इनकी width same होनी चाहिए. And one more thing, जो distance हमने यहाँ लिया है, वही distance इन दोनों के बीच में होना चाहिए. The distance should also be the same. Width भी same होनी चाहिए और distance भी same होनी चाहिए. Now this is the hockey. Okay, beta. So that's why you have to use the scales. Now, last but not least is the athletics. In the athletics, 250 people are watching the athletics. So 250, it's easy to draw. यहाँ हमने बनाया था 250. Next one is 105. People are participating. The approximate 105 people are participating. Athletics. Now we are writing their numbers: 1240, then 620, 470, then 320, 510, 320. Now 430, 250, 250, 105. Now you have to give some answers. Okay, the questions are: what does the data graph, this double bar graph, explain? मुझे सबसे पहले बताइए, ये जो सर्वे हुआ है, ये सर्वे क्या एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है? Is that anybody would like to explain? बताना चाहेगा? Anyone? Anyone like to explain what is this survey? What does this survey tell? What does this survey or bar graph tell? बताइए. Who want to explain? No one. So listen. This bar graph will explain the interest of the pupils. Interest of the pupil. This bar graph will explain the interest of the pupil in the different sports, in watching and participating in the games. This bar graph explain the interest of pupils of a colony in watching and participating various games. Various games. Games कह सकते हो, sports कह सकते हो. Various sports. Okay, so this is your question number 1. Now, which sports is most popular according to you, according to the data, whether in the watching or participating or both? Which sport is most favorite? सबसे ज्यादा फेमस कौन सा, पॉपुलर कौन सा गेम है? Most
Cricket.
popular game.
Cricket.
Yes, we can say that cricket is the most popular game. Always not. Take the screenshot of this question also. Take a screenshot. Okay, I'm erasing this. As we have now the double bar graph, so no need of this. So now let us answer this. Which sport, which is most popular? The answer is cricket. Okay. Now the next one, इसी के अंदर एक और क्वेश्चन है. Which is the most preferred, watching or participating in the sports? सबसे ज्यादा preferred कौन हो रहा है? Watching हो रहा है या participating? You can see by the result that every pillar of the watching is more than the participating. So which is, question है, which is more preferable? Watching or participating? So answer is watching. Answer is watching. So which is more preferable? Watching or participating? So watching is more preferable. Okay, beta? Take the screenshot of also this. Now come to the next part. Question number 6. This table. Now, question number 6. According to this table, अगर हम इसमें बार ग्राफ बनाते हैं, तो one side हमें cities लेनी होंगी, and then we have to various temperatures. The temperature, or please take the screenshot of this question. Screenshot of this table only. Okay, now look at this. There are some cities, and the temperature are given in the 30 to 20 to 30 range. 10, 20, 30, and 40. 41 भी given है. It's okay. Maximum 41 temperature. And now we have to plot this. So here is the temperature is given. On this side, city is given. Okay, now we have to draw the double bar graph. Now look at this. The first city is Ahmedabad. In the Ahmedabad, maximum temperature and the minimum temperature. Maximum temperature is 38. And the minimum temperature is 29. This is Ahmedabad. Next one is Amritsar. 37 degree, 26 degree. 37. And then minimum temperature is 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 26. Bangalore 28 and 21. And 21. Next, Chennai 36 and 27. 36. That's writing their name also. This is initials of the place Ahmedabad. This is Amritsar. This is Bangalore. This is Chennai. Next, the maximum temperature of the Chennai is 36 and the minimum is 27. Now, next city is Delhi. In Delhi, the maximum temperature is 38. And the minimum temperature of Delhi is 28. Now, the next city is Jaipur. The maximum temperature is 39. And the minimum temperature is 29. The next city is Jammu. And the maximum temperature is given here is 41. And the minimum temperature is 26. This is Jammu. The next one is Mumbai. In the Mumbai, the maximum temperature is 32 degree. And the minimum temperature is 27 degree. This is Mumbai. Now give some answers on the basis of this chart. अब आपके सामने chart given है. This chart is given to you. Give some answers. Which city? Which city has largest difference which city has the largest difference in minimum and maximum temperature? Minimum and maximum. जो आंसर देना चाहे बच्चे, please open the mic, tell me your name and then give the answer. Which city has the largest difference in minimum and maximum temperature? नाम बताइए. ऐसी कौन सी सिटी है जिनमें ये डिफरेंस जो है मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम का वो सबसे ज्यादा है? You can see just by looking the graph you can tell us. You can tell me please which city has the maximum difference Anybody? Is Prachi? Open your mic, beta.
Yes, sir. Sir,
give me
Jammu.
the city. कौन सी सिटी है जिसमें डिफरेंस सबसे ज्यादा है?
Sir, Jammu.
Yes, जम्मू. The difference is maximum. Okay, यहाँ इससे थोड़ा टेम्परेचर लोअर भी है 1 पॉइंट और इससे 2 पॉइंट टेम्परेचर ज्यादा भी है. So its answer is जम्मू. Very good. Now the next question is, which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? Which is hottest city and which is coldest city? The coolest city. सबसे ज्यादा टेम्परेचर क्या है, सबसे कम का है? कोल्डेस्ट सिटी. बताइए बेटा, कौन बताएंगे? ओपन योर माइक. गौरव. ओपन योर माइक बेटा. हॉटेस्ट एंड कूलेस्ट. कोल्डेस्ट कौन सी है? हॉटेस्ट आपने देखा ही होगा. सबसे ज्यादा किसका टेम्परेचर जा रहा है बेटा? शिवम. बोलो बेटा शिवम. यस. हॉटेस्ट कौन सी सिटी है?
Sir, Jammu.
वेरी गुड बेटा. हॉटेस्ट जम्मू. एंड कोल्डेस्ट कौन सी बेटा? कोल्डेस्ट कौन सी है?
Sir, Bangladesh. Sir, Bengaluru.
बांग्लादेश नहीं है, बेंगलुरु.
Bengaluru.
यस, बेंगलुरु. वेरी गुड. सर यहाँ से हम ऐसे चेक कर सकते हैं. तो मिनिमम हमारे पास साफ दिख रहा है, मैक्सिमम भी साफ दिख रहा है ना बेटा? कैन सी जस्ट बाय ड्राइंग ए पैरेलल लाइन. यहाँ से दिख रहा है सबसे नीचे यही है, और यहाँ पे सबसे ऊपर वही है. ठीक है ना बेटा? इजी है. It is very easy to identify. Next, the name the two city where the maximum temperature of the one is less than the minimum temperature of other. जहाँ जिसका maximum temperature, मैं इनको erase कर रहा हूँ बेटा. Take the screenshot of these questions. Question number, part number 3. Name the two city. Name the two cities where maximum temperature of various cities, maximum temperature of one is less than minimum temperature of other. Minimum temperature of other. ऐसे दो सिटी बतानी है जिसका मैक्सिमम उसके मिनिमम से कम. जैसे इस सिटी का मैक्सिमम जो है वो इस सिटी के मिनिमम से कम है, या इस सिटी के मिनिमम से कम है. तो बताइए ऐसे कौन सा पेयर है? तो आप देखेंगे मैंने अभी इशारा किया, जो बेंगलुरु है. रेज योर हैंड बेटा. नैतिक बताइए बेटा, आप बताइए.
Bengaluru and Ahmedabad.
एक पेयर बन गया बेंगलुरु और आपने लिया अहमदाबाद. वेरी गुड. सो बेंगलुरु एंड अहमदाबाद. Okay, very good. And the second one is?
Sir,
बोलिए बेटा.
Bengaluru, Jaipur. Bengaluru and Jaipur.
Bengaluru and second one is Jaipur. Very good. Both are the two. Very good. Second one is Bengaluru and Jaipur. Okay, very good. Great. Keep your mic off, Peter. Now the next one is the name the city which has the least difference between the minimum and the maximum temperature. आपको ऐसी सिटी का नाम बताना है जहां पर मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम में सबसे कम डिफरेंस हो। आपको दिख रहा होगा इन दोनों में जहां सबसे कम डिफरेंस है। नेम द सिटी। City which has least difference between them, least difference between maximum and minimum temperature. Maximum and minimum temperature. चलो बताइए, what's the name of the city? जिसका मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम में डिफरेंस सबसे कम हो, कौन सी सिटी है? कुशल बोलिए बेटा। कुशल, आपका माइक ऑन है। कुशल, कुशल बेटा। चलो इसका आंसर होगा बेटा मुंबई। तो मुंबई एक ऐसी सिटी होगी यहाँ पर अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस चार्ट जहाँ पर मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम टेम्परेचर में क्या डिफरेंस है बेटा? ऑलमोस्ट नियर डिफरेंस। ओके बेटा।